Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to prioritize your leads and focus on the contacts most likely to convert, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up lead scoring in Hubspot so you can better qualify and manage your leads. To get started, log into your Hubspot dashboard. Once you're inside your account, click on the gear icon at the top of the screen to open your settings. From the Settings panel, navigate to the Properties section. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar and type in Properties to find it faster. Next, choose the type of property you want to work with. In this case, select Contact Properties. Here, you'll be able to locate scoring-related properties. Click on the relevant property, select More, and you'll see options to track changes and manage access permissions. That's all for today's tutorial. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to use the affiliate link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.